Welcome to Cloudtrain, Salesforce for small and medium businesses. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create an intake application. The intake application can be used for a variety of business purposes, some of which would include prospects for a campaign. This could also include job applications or an application portal. Also, requests for quotes. So if you have consultants that you're going to be bringing in, you can set up requests for quotes with this simple object model. So, getting to the object model. In Salesforce, there's something called an account. And the account typically has some type of relationship with a contact. A contact could be an employee, it could be a candidate, it could be many things. In this application, our account the employer account specifically, will be authoring requisitions. And those requisitions, candidates can then in turn come in and they can view, apply for, if you want to think of it that way. Okay, so in Salesforce, it's possible to virtually separate out a table, and you virtually separate it out with what's called record types. And this becomes very beneficial as we build the application out. So our account will have two record types. The first record type will be employer, the second one being candidate, okay? Later in time, if you wanted to add more record types, you could do so. Every account will have at least one, if not many, contacts, okay? This symbol means one. This symbol means many, okay? Every employer account can have at least one, if not many, requisitions out. In Salesforce, there's also the concept of what's called a person account. In the health cloud, they call it an individual, but they're really steering people over to the person accounts. The person account is actually a combination of these two under the hood. It's a combination of the account and the contact. Although for a candidate, a person account would be a great way to go. Because I have the employer, and the employer will have employees or candidates as contacts, in this case, I don't want to make person accounts, and I want to keep them separated. There's also some security and some application logic coming later that will lend to keeping this as in this model here. So this is how we create the object model in Salesforce. Next, I'll be showing you in Salesforce how to actually create this. And then in subsequent videos, I'll be showing you how to create a flow to actually bring people like a wizard through an application process or an onboarding process. And then after that, I'll be building out a Visualforce page with Lightning web components to show you how you can display that either within your Salesforce organization, or you could display that on a website, a public-facing website. So thank you so much for your time. Hope you have a wonderful day, and happy Labor Day. Bye-bye for now.